Now, as reported earlier, the Prime Minister announced more measures to ease the pressure felt by citizens from the deepening water crisis. TVJ's Kalisha Williams reports.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced in Parliament Tuesday that an additional $100 million will be allocated for the trucking of water and the distribution of tanks in several parishes across the island affected by severe drought. As for how the measure will work,
I've asked the Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, the Honourable Pernell Charles Jr., to meet with the MPs in the affected parishes and the councillors and with the NWC to work out a detailed distribution schedule for trucking.
He says priority will be given to schools, public healthcare facilities and nursing homes. A determination will be made in the coming weeks on whether additional measures will be made.
As we get more data from the meteorological service, we will respond accordingly. The month of May is still being assessed. The original projection coming from the meteorological service was that between April, May and June we would have seen an increase in our rainfall. That has not materialized. So we are waiting the end of June to see what our rainfall projections, whether or not they have met up to the projections, actual outturn. And at that point, then we may have to make a further allocation or increase the parishes that are severely affected.
Mr. Holness revealed that to date, the National Water Commission has spent $205 million for the trucking of water since the beginning of the financial year. Effective May 24, persons found to be wasting water could be fined or face jail time. In the meantime, in his presentation yesterday, the Prime Minister outlined a list of measures to improve the distribution of water in rural communities. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.